In this video, I will show you how you can add a back button on any iPhone. Now, this method works for when an app crashes on your iPhone and the back gesture or the home gesture stops working. But if you want a back button as on Android, this will not work, as currently there is no universal back button on iOS. Now, to get the back button, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, just tap on Touch, and from here, just tap on Assistive Touch. Now just enable Assistive Touch on your iPhone, and after that, under the Customize action, just tap on Single Tap or Double Tap. I will select Single Tap, and from here, just scroll down and look for the option of Home. And after you select this app, now if an app crashes on your iPhone and if the gesture stops working on your iPhone, just tap on the accessibility button like that, and your iPhone will close the app and it will go back to the home screen. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.